Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ring for camera privacy and shared access step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Ring app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the Create Account option. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, tap on Continue to proceed. Next, verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email from Ring. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Ring app and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be prompted to set up your Ring device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Ring camera to your Wi-Fi network. Once the camera is connected, you can access the camera settings from the main dashboard. To adjust privacy settings, navigate to the device settings for your camera. In the device settings, look for Privacy Zones or Motion Settings to customize your privacy preferences. Select specific areas where you do not want the camera to capture or record footage. After configuring your privacy settings, return to the main dashboard. Now, to invite shared users, go to the Shared Users section in the app. Tap on Add User and enter the email address of the person you want to share access with. Choose the level of access you want to grant them, such as viewing camera footage or controlling settings. Once you have entered the email address and selected access levels, tap Send Invite. The invited user will receive an email to accept access to your Ring camera. After they accept, they will be able to view the camera feed based on the permissions you set. Review your settings periodically to ensure they still meet your privacy needs. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Ring for camera privacy and shared access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.